Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already set Face ID on your iPhone, so start in WhatsApp now. Open Settings and tap Account. Once inside, choose Privacy, you're steering toward App Lock. Make sure WhatsApp is updated so Face ID options appear. Otherwise, you'll only see a passcode option. Tap Screen Lock when you see it, because that enables biometric locking. This step links the app's privacy layer to the system Face ID, which keeps your chats private without extra passwords. Now you enable Face ID for WhatsApp. Flip the Require Face ID switch to On. You'll be asked to pick how quickly Face ID locks the app. Pick immediately for maximum privacy, or a delay if you reopen often. Once done, WhatsApp uses the iPhone's Face ID prompt when you reopen the app. This avoids a second password. If you allow notification previews, they may show on your lock screen, so adjust that setting for message privacy. Finish by testing. Exit WhatsApp and open it to confirm the Face ID prompt appears. If it works, you're done. Your chats now require your face to open. If Face ID fails, make sure your face data is intact. Go to iPhone settings, reset Face ID, and re-register. Once re-registered, toggle WhatsApp lock off and on again. If problems persist, restart your phone. And as a last resort, reinstall. WhatsApp restoring settings might clear stubborn authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.